Now we can discuss about important topic, that is robotics programmer. Robotics is based on a number of fundamental sciences. All of the other principles of robotics are derived from mathematics. Physics mastering such a complicated topic as robotics is impossible without knowing the movement of bodies and the principles of their interaction. It would be beneficial if you applied physics ideas to mechanics and electrical engineering. The combination of mechanics and electronics is known as mechatronics. Understanding how to know how to make mechanical devices operate with the electricity is crucial in robotics. Programming is what allows sophisticated gadgets to function. It is not enough to just put together a robot. You must establish the ground rules for it to function. That is what programming is all about. Skills required for robotic programmer is what? Skills. What are the skills required for a robotic programmer? A robotics programmer may appear to be a highly specialized unit at first look. However, in order for systems to function well, every expert must have a broad perspective. Perspective should be there. That is, good look should be there. And programming, depending on the robot's platform, design and memory capacity, C++ is there, Python is there, and Java, MATLAB, ASM, that is Aka, Assembler, ADA, and other programming languages may be used. Then machine learning, it will be useful for professionals who want to build self-driving robots. We recommend that you pay attention to these abilities as autonomous robots grow more popular and begin to supplant controlled robots. Theoretical understanding of automated system design. They learn how nodes are connected and what mathematical techniques may be used to aid in their operation. A working knowledge of microcontrollers and microcircuits is required. Working knowledge of microcontrollers and microcircuits, circuit management. This is in electronics. It is the deepest subject. We can discuss later. So these are the required. So microcontrollers, a working knowledge of microcontrollers and microcircuits is required. Understanding the assembly of a robot and calibrating the interplay of its components to send signals and perform actions correctly are all aspects of electronics, radio engineering, and electrical engineering. Design, the ability to assemble mechanical models and combine them with electrical brains will be limited. Brain is nothing but the electrical circuit with the software control. We can see that despite the profession's name, a robotics programmer doesn't need to gain engineering abilities. Robotics programmer should have the basic fundamental knowledge of microcircuits and microcontrollers, and as well as coding languages of Python, Java, etc. also he should have. All these, the combination will become the robotics programmer. So robotics programmer should have the understanding of electronic circuits and designing and software support, how it will be done. Some basic hardware also he should know. Then only he will become a good robotic programmer. This is the information I want to share with you. Wishing you all the best.